In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist template in Jira and Confluence. This is a useful skill that can help streamline your project management processes, whether you're organizing small tasks or managing large teams. First, the initial step is installing Didit from the Atlassian marketplace. Didit is a powerful app that connects seamlessly with Jira and Confluence, allowing you to create, customize, and manage checklists efficiently. So head over to the Atlassian marketplace and install Didit. Once you've got Didit installed, the next step is to open either Jira or Confluence, depending on your preference or the needs of your project. With Didit ready to go, you'll start by creating a Didit checklist. This involves navigating to your preferred app, Jira or Confluence, and selecting the Didit option. Having a checklist organized and accessible will help ensure that nothing falls through the cracks when managing your tasks. Now you'll want to open Didit from your apps. Here, Didit is where the magic starts. You'll find it listed under your installed apps. Simply click to open it, and you'll enter the space where you'll create your template. Next, you'll click Create Template. This is a straightforward process where a user-friendly interface enables you to begin structuring your tasks. Clicking Create Template starts a new slate where you can input all the checklist items relevant to your project. Think of the checklist as a living list of tasks or items that should be systematically included to ensure all bases are covered. Adding checklist items means inputting each task or item individually into the checklist. Be thorough and detailed, as this will be the guiding tool for you and your team. Whether it's a simple to-do or a multi-step task, having it clearly spelled out helps the whole team stay aligned. Next, give your template a name and save it. Naming your template is more than just a label. It's a brief descriptor of what this checklist will cover, acting as a quick reference for you and anyone else using it in the future. Once named, hit save to store all your work. When you're in the process of creating or editing a Jira issue, you'll find the Didit section within the details view. Here's where your checklist becomes practical and strategic. Adding it to individual issues means a structured, itemized list becomes directly visible to anyone working on the task. Look for the three dots on the right hand side within this section and then select Replace with Template. This option allows you to inject your pre-designed checklist into the issue, instantly providing all the required steps in one place. Finally, select the specific checklist template you created. By doing so, your checklist will be applied to your Jira issue, ensuring a systematic approach to any task at hand. Having this template applied means your projects run smoothly, tasks are tracked, and no detail goes unnoticed. With these actions, you've created a functional, reusable checklist template that you can use and customize for all your project needs in Jira and Confluence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy creating streamlined processes with your new checklist templates.